Hello, good afternoon, Atlanta window and gutter cleaning. I got your every door direct mail postcard today in the mail, and I tried looking you guys up online to get some more information about you, but I couldn't find you. So I thought I would shoot this quick video and show you why I couldn't find you, and I was looking for you. So I realize you're obviously spending money on these flyers going to people hoping they need their windows cleaned. But people who are actively looking for window and or gutter cleaning on the web, they can't find you. And this is a quick video. Let me show you why. I did searches for window cleaning Swanee because I'm obviously here in Swanee, which is where I got my card. Professional window cleaning Swanee, professional gutter cleaning Swanee, and gutter cleaning Swanee, Georgia. So you're not showing up in any of the results for those key phrases. Now, maybe you don't want to show up for free for these, key phrases that people might be searching for, when they're actively looking for a window or a gutter cleaner. What you do show up for is if I type in the search bar ATL window and gutter cleaning, you obviously show up number one because that is what your website is trying to rank for. However, you have very few people, if any, who are actually searching for your company by name. They would be searching for what you do and in their area, but very unlikely they are searching for ATL window and gutter cleaning. So if that's something you want us to help you fix, that's something we can do. This is JR with OMG Local SEO. Give us a call, 404-500-9853 if you'd like to correct these issues with your website. Save you some money on these on this printing and postage. Get found when people are actually looking. Let us know. If not, like I said, your website does have some serious changes that could be made to make it a much better, more easily searchable and findable website. Like I said, I was looking for you and couldn't find you. So people who aren't looking for you are even less likely to be able to find you. So give us a call, 404-500-9853 if you want to fix this. If not, at least hopefully you just found it educational. Hope you have a great day. Take care.